Do you use WooCommerce to set up inside city and outside city deliveries, but get stuck when it comes to intercity? Exactly. WooCommerce doesn't let you create or manage intercity deliveries separately. That's why we built Turbo, shipping rules for WooCommerce, the perfect solution for flexible shipping zones. With this plugin, you can easily create your own delivery zones, inside city, outside city, or intercity, just the way you want. You can add areas one by one or upload them all at once using the bulk upload option. Then, group your zones and set custom shipping rules for each. No coding needed. And the best part? It includes weight-based shipping methods. For example, the first 1 kilogram costs $29, and each extra kilogram adds $5. Totally customizable for your courier's pricing rules. The whole system looks simple, but works super powerfully. Let's see how it works. From installation and activation to adding, bulk uploading, and editing your shipping rules, step by step. Turbo, shipping rules for WooCommerce. Take full control of your intercity shipping today. Fast, flexible, and truly smart.